Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are doing a deep dive into the shorts of the Nike SKIMS collaboration. So we have a lot of different lengths here, all the same size. These are all a size small, and I wear a 25 or a 26, a 0 or a 2 just for reference. So first up over here on the right hand side, we have the 5-inch shorts. Now all of these shorts are gonna have seamless in the front, and then they're gonna have these 2 seams on the side. They will have the cross up here, and in the back they're gonna go pretty much straight across. There is a little bit of a dip, but I do think this is actually pretty flattering. And then they all have the raised SKIMS symbol here. So again, this is the 5-inch length. So what that is saying is like this part here from the center to the end of the leg is 5 inches. Then we also have a 3-inch version, and I picked that up in the black and the brown. I did not pick it up in the currant because I'm trying to like stay with all blacks. I'm trying to get away from colors because I think they're just very, trendy, and they look nice when you have the full outfits. But I think they're a little bit less practical. So these are the 3-inch. They have the same front, the same back, the same raised detail. Here are the brown, which I actually think is such a gorgeous color. It is a really nice neutral. This is gonna go with a lot of different beiges or browns. So I think this one's actually like the exception to my no color rule. And of course you do have the SKIMS raised logo there as well. These, you kind of see the SKIMS a little bit better, and you can also see the detailing a little better. So I'm hoping that's helpful when we do the try on as well. And then I picked up the 2-inch shorts as well. So a lot to try on. Let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so we're gonna try on the shorts from longest to shortest. So first up, these are the 5-inch shorts. And I will say that when I first ordered these shorts in general, I only picked up the 5-inch shorts. And I thought that they were very strong compression and that they were pretty thick. So I was expecting that throughout all of the shorts. But in retrospect, having tried them all on now, I do think that these are the thickest. They're obviously the longest. They have the strongest tummy tuck as well. So keep that in mind. When I put on these 3-inch shorts, I felt like they were a lot thinner in fabric. To give a comparison, they are a little bit thicker, maybe like 20% thicker than the Aloe Yoga Soft Sculpt leggings, but they are still pretty lightweight. Overall, I think the 3-inch was probably my favorite, maybe even the 2-inch. And I am usually not somebody who likes these really short biker shorts. I usually am more comfortable with the 5-inch, but these were probably my favorite. Now, when I tried on the brown, I loved them just as much. Now, I think these are a really nice neutral. I think they do go really well with the black. I also am kind of going back on my words and saying I think this would look even better with black shorts and a brown or whatever this color is in the top. So I think I just really like the neutral colors, but I'm going to consider this one of the neutrals and call it a day. Now, the waistband you can see is also kind of not loose, but like it has some stretch to it. Okay, now these are the 2-inch shorts, and as I mentioned, I was kind of conflicted between the 3 and the 2, so let me know what you think in the comments below. I do think that the 2 is a little bit more at risk of rolling up, which I really don't like, but I don't feel a fear of them rolling up for some reason. They just kind of feel good. So that is my overall review. I really like the fabric. I kind of like that they're different fabric weights, and if you want a thicker one, you can always take the 5 and edit it down. But that's all we have for this unboxing and try on. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.